Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are using the opportunity to explore Brisbane with some friends. So today the plan is to go out on a boat with them.
Yeah, we had to get very early up today to be here. And now we are waiting for a couple of minutes that our friends are arriving.
Join us while we explore the water of Brisbane.
Hello and welcome to our channel Destination Closest Optional. In this video channel we will introduce naturist resorts and beaches around the world. We are Rose and Carsten.
There are two. Oh, they're swimming. They're jumping around. Oh, we're getting the fish.
Hopefully chasing them over here.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, there they are.
Yeah,
I think they're having a baby dolphin.
a junior.
A junior. Oh, it's a big pot.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh!
That's pretty cool.
You need to do that with this baby.
Maybe they're coming closer.
Are they?
I don't
You
know.
say maybe or they are?
Maybe they are coming closer.
Okay.
They're still there.
Oh yeah, I saw them spouting.
I don't want to freak out.
Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3. Here's one. One.
Yeah, there's another one there.
Because there's nudity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you have to, basically everyone like to see the videos has to pay $7 per month or something like that.
Yeah.
How much?
I think $7 per month,
Oh, okay, not so
Which is,
bad.
yeah, pretty cheap.
Yeah.
but it's making more
see
money than
us.
YouTube.
To see us.
To see you basically.
Is
So,
that a fish?
yeah.
Can I hold it?
Another bum without the face.
No, you're making it wrong.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. You have to hold the fishing line with the finger. Yeah.
There you go. It's cast out.
Oh yeah, baby.
What?
When we go on swimming, when she wears a bikini, she wears something on top of that.
Yeah.
It's a bit cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah.
I was like, Bobby, it just ask. Cast and roast and ask. And she's like, oh fuck yeah. So I don't need. So this is the first time she's in her bikini.
Oh wow. I did bring one. I just thought I'd skip wearing it.
I don't have one.
You don't have a bikini, you don't have anything. Don't go I'm on a boat. You know that song?
No.
No, it's really funny.
What is it called? I'm on a boat?
Yeah.
Okay. Never heard this song, but a lot of songs I've never heard.
Yeah.
Which you are putting on the playlist.